Hippocrates, called the father of medicine, he made a statement that's often quoted. He said, "Let food be your medicine and medicine be your food." And he did not know about the DNA. He did not know that our very food makes up our DNA. And when I look at some supermarket trolleys, I think, how will their DNA ever remake them properly? Because the very nutrients required to make this DNA are deficient in your foods that are deficient, like all your fast food. But foods that are grown in the ground and eaten very quickly after they've been picked are very high in these basic things. We are constantly being remade, and we're being remade according to the DNA. Did you know that our eye cells are remade every 1 to 2 days? That's why if people have eye surgery, it's usually day surgery. They heal very, very quickly. The next quickest are the cells that line our gastrointestinal tract. They're remade every 3 to 5 days. We've got a new skin every month. Where does the old skin go? That's why we vacuum the floor. That's why we change our clothes and wash them. That's why we change our sheets, because our skin cells are constantly shedding. We have new bones about every 3 months. We have a new liver about every 6 weeks. So we're constantly being remade. I think it takes approximately 2 years. After 2 years, we have a new body. I used to say to people, you've got to look after this body. It's the only one you've got. If your car breaks down, if it starts to rust, it doesn't work anymore, you can get a new car, but you cannot get a new body. Well, I've changed my mind. I've changed my mind upon realizing that this body is constantly being remade, and it's being remade according to the genetic code inside every cell of the body. You see, the 2 most common theories on why people are sick today is the gene theory and the germ theory. And at the moment we're pursuing this gene theory. What I'd like to do is I'd like to show you how a new gastrointestinal tract cell is made. And when you understand how the new gastrointestinal tract cell is made, then you begin to understand why people aren't healing. Let's have a look. All the information is in the DNA on how to make a new gastrointestinal tract cell. Did you know that inside every cell in the body is all the information on how to make a totally new body? But in the gastrointestinal tract, we don't want the information on how to make a new liver cell or eye cell or bone cell. And so all the information that we need is literally switched on, and all the other information is switched off. A photocopy is made. It's called RNA. RNA is a photocopy of all the information on how to make a new gastrointestinal tract cell. And it comes down to another part of the cell called ribosome. And ribosome is the little factory where the new cell is made.